Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Now we're gonna make mango chutney in a pan. I got this mango already chopped, 70p from Lidl. This is sick. This is a staple. If you ever have poppadoms, any of that, it's sick with it, blood. So all you wanna do, grab that, bang that in a pan. This is so simple, man. I'm telling you, this ain't no long thing. Chop one onion, bang. See it there? 2 cloves of garlic. Just chop them fine as you can. Leave them chunky if you want. Leave them whole. Don't bother me. If you like garlic, I would mind that. Minimal ingredients needed for this, man. It'll all be in your cupboard. It'll all be there. Just stripe that down, bloody. Draw the juice out the garlic this way if you like. You can blitz it, you can blend it, you can leave it whole. You can do what you want, blood. This is all about flair and flavour. Now, spices. You're going to need some ground coriander, cumin powder, turmeric for colour and flavour, and mustard seeds. My little seasoning spoon, that's about half a teaspoon. Bam, mustard seeds. Ground coriander, just a little bit of spiciness. That's like 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want your spice, you're having it with curry, you just want it to uplift it a little bit. About 1/4 teaspoon again, or 1/8 of turmeric. Colour, give it that bright yellow earthiness, just great. Yes, man. Oh, banging, absolutely banging. Little bit of vinegar. I'd usually use white wine. I'm glitching, man. This is like my 15th video of today. It's a mad thing. Now incorporate all that together. Couple tablespoons of sugar. It's all you need, man. All that sugar. Let's go 3. Okay, we'll go 4. 4 tablespoons of sugar. In with that. Oh yes, man. Mango chutney, you can't beat it. Poppadoms, all them thing there. Couple tablespoons of boiling water just to melt all that together. You don't want it because the mango, the upside down mango you see here, that'll release a lot of water. So you don't want a sloppy mess. You want it to be quite crunchy and chunky with the mango. Now once that's on a high heat, simmering away, blood fire, look pan this up. Mango chutney, a run dog. Oi, mad thing. You just want to cook it down till it looks like mango chutney. And that, I know that's a mad thing. It's a mad thing to say, but trust me, the intuition is real. That's about halfway done now. See how it's starting to look like chutney? 3/4 of the way done now. All the way done now. See it? It's fresh. It doesn't look like that shop bought mush that's translucent. It's going to have that lovely sharp flavour. And it's going to taste like actual fresh mango. Like and subscribe. Love you lot. Bye.
Flavor Station.